Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Christopher and I'm a freelance website designer. Today I'm going to share my experience of why I create mockups before I design the websites directly. So let's dive into it. But first, what exactly is a mockup? A mockup suggests what the final design will look like, and it's usually shared with clients in the form of wireframe and prototype. It helps them to see the final design, how it's gonna look and how it's gonna work. For example, we can take this page. It wasn't designed directly into WordPress. First I created mockup in Adobe HD and then transformed it into real site using WordPress and Elementor. However, it wasn't always been like that. In the beginning I made some mistakes too and designed most of my pages directly into WordPress. But with time I learned that it's better to create mockup. And today I'm going to tell you why. Number 1. You have a complete overview of your website. It helps to you and your client to have complete overview and compare the designs on multiple devices. For example, you can see here when I came up with one idea and then came up with another one. So I placed the different designs next to each other and shared them to my client. And it's easier for him to take a look and compare the designs and choose which one he likes most. And it's same for the multiple devices. You can place them next to each other and share them with your client too. Number 2. It saves you and your client's time. Let's say if you're working with a client and you start designing the site in Adobe HD. It's easier to change it later if he doesn't like something rather than doing it in WordPress directly. Especially for me, I don't like to work on one site for hours and then change everything. So I prefer to do it in mockup first and then work on the real page. Number 3. You already have a starting point. It helps you out to start working on your page immediately when you get in WordPress without wasting any time. I don't know for you, but sometimes at the beginning when I start designing the pages, I have one idea and in a few hours I came up with another one and it's kinda hard to decide with which one to go. Sometimes can keep it stuck for hours. So I prefer to create mockup first and then send it to my client, and when he decides that he likes the mockup, we just go with it and I don't change anything, and it's kinda easier and faster. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video and learn something new. I would really like to know if you create mockup first or work directly on your websites. And also don't forget to leave a like, subscribe and turn on the notification for more videos like this. So see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.